Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. I hope you are doing very well. And today I am recording this video in advance for tomorrow because I know due to wedding functions are there. That's why I will be busy tomorrow also. So I think in the restaurant or garden I could not record any video. That's why I record this video in advance for tomorrow. So tomorrow my sister's wedding day, that's why I am busy. So tomorrow also so many functions are there and we enjoy all the functions. That's why I record this video today only, and I want to enjoy all the functions properly without worry about my consistency of uploading videos. And I know in the wedding environment and positive mahol, I don't have and I don't waste my time on editing videos and uploading them. That's why I record this video, but I still speak 2 to 5 minutes tomorrow also for my spoken English practice. But I record this video today for tomorrow. So if you are also learning English speaking, so I have one suggestion for you, and that is never break your consistency, because consistency is the key of learning. Because if you are consistent every day and without skipping any day, then you will be then you will be fluent in English, you will be learn, and you will be improve yourself day by day. So that's why I am recording this video in advance. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment my mistakes. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel Let's Start Learn, and watch my spoken English practice series. So thank you so much.